Mr. Black.
So on this channel, we have the Hyperlapse challenge coming up. Maybe we should call it the Time Warp challenge because it's just for the GoPro.
It's just a jump to the left.
But there is still time, so if you're interested in being part of the Hyperlapse challenge, send it in. You have until March 1st. What you need to do is, well, you can watch my video where I explain what the Hyperlapse challenge is and give some tips. But essentially, just grab your GoPro Hero 9, Hero 10, put it on Time Warp, and walk around your city or town or wherever you want to show it off. But remember, this isn't a time-lapse challenge, it's a hyperlapse challenge, so you want to make sure you put it in Time Warp and give it some motion. And a really big tip, walk really slow, like walk ridiculously slow. Walk as slow as you can. If I was walking like this, like that, that's kind of how you want to walk, really slow, and that gives you the best results. So don't just capture your regular walking speed. I mean, you can do that, that's fine, but the slower, the better. And try to have some kind of focal point, like a statue, or a bridge, or a building, or a landmark, and remember, take it slow. I know it's awkward, I know it can be embarrassing, but it will look awesome. And, you know, try it a few times to get it right. It doesn't have to be super long, it could be very quick, but just send it in to me. The info is in the description down below. And if you've submitted one already, you still have time. If you want to redo it, that's completely fine. And remember, we'll have some amazing prizes for the first, second, and third place winners. Remember last time we did the Star Time-Lapse Challenge? Intellison stepped in and gave an amazing giveaway prize, and this is gonna be a really great prize as well. So March 1st is when I need it by. I mean, just anytime March 1st, whatever, your time, my time, March 1st, just get it to me, and I'll review it, and everyone gets to vote on it, so that's gonna be a really fun thing to do. Okay, this was just a little quick announcement. My name is Danny Black, by the way, welcome to the channel, and don't be a stranger, and see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.
And by the way, it looks like I'm golfing, but no, I'm actually a musician. That's my real job, and I'm in between sets, so I gotta get back to it. Cheers. Yeah, good job, huh?